Today's video topic is array in Java. An array is a collection of similar type of elements which has contiguous memory location. Java array is an object which contains elements of a similar data type. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored in a contiguous uh, memory location. Contiguous memory location. It is a data structure we store similar elements which can store only a fixed set of elements in a Java array. Array in Java is index based. The first element of the array is stored at the zeroth index. Second element is stored at first index, and so on. Unlike C or C++, we can get the length of the array using the length member. In C or C++, we need to use the size of operator. In Java, array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array inherits the object class and implements the serializable as well as clonable interface. We can store primitive values or objects in an array in Java. Moreover, Java provides the feature of anonymous arrays which is not available in C++ or C. Advantages of Java in array. Code optimization. It makes the code optimized. We can retrieve or sort the data efficiently. Random access. We can get any data located in at the index position. Disadvantages. Size limit. We can store only the fixed size of elements in the array. It grows it doesn't grow its size at runtime. To solve this problem, collection framework is used in Java, which grows automatically. Types of array in Java. There are two types of array in Java: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array in Java, uh, in syntax to declare an array in Java: data type array. Instantiation of an array in Java: array reference value is equal to new data type bracket size. Example of Java array. Let's see the simple example of Java array. Declaration, instantiation, and initialization of Java array. For each loop for Java array, which can also print the Java array using for each loop. The Java for each loop prints the array's elements one by one. It holds an array element in a variable, then executes the body of the loop. Passing array to a method in Java. We can pass the Java array to method so that we can reuse the same logic on any array. uh, the same loop any array. Anonymous array in Java. Java supports the feature of an anonymous array, so you don't need to declare the array while passing any while passing an array of the method. Thank you.